So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are looking for an easy way to sell your products online, then this video is for you. So, today I am going to show you on how to create and sell digital or physical products on Raket.ph. So, this is a step-by-step tutorial. And as an example, guys, I will be listing a digital coloring book here. And of course, guys, if you are an artist, writer, or a digital creator, this website is a great platform to sell printables, ebooks, planners, and even the courses. So this is a beginner friendly and has no monthly fees. So you only pay when you make a sale. So right now, guys, make sure guys to watch until the end because I'll also share marketing tips to help you get more sales. So the first thing you need to do here is, of course, go and visit their website. You just need to type www.raket.ph, and there you can click sign up at the top right corner, and there you can choose a sign up method, either an email, an Google, or a Facebook. And then of course, guys, you need to verify your email to activate your account. And as you can see here, you'll be able to see there a welcome. And here, guys, so again, guys, you just need to tap on the become a racketeer, and then here you'll be able to see here make money doing what you love. And then again, you can also see here, guys, they also have a video on how this website works. They will teach you. And here again, you just need to tap on the get started button for you to have your own account. And here you just need to continue your Google just like this. So here, guys, you will be directed to this one, the dashboard. So you just need to tap on this part. So at the top right corner, and here you'll be able to see your different options. But on this tutorial, we're going to focus on the My Racket chip because we are going to upload our first ever product. So here, tap on this one. As you can see here, you can add services, product, or even manage your portfolio. So here you can manage your portfolio. As you can see, this is the get to know me. You just need to fill in all of this one. Here you can watch this one, so depending on you. But on this tutorial, we are going to focus on this product. So as you can see here, we have different options here: the about, services, the products, and then the socials. So tap on this one, and here, as you can see, there are no products just yet because this will be our first ever product. So the products are what you sell to customers. They can be any digital geared from an ebook or physical. So as you can see here, you can also choose a product template, either physical or digital. So again, tap on this one, and then here you can choose physical or digital. But guys, you can also start from scratch, guys, without using the template from this website. So here, as you can see here, you'll be able to choose here. So here, the first thing we need to do here is to type our product, which is the coloring book about animals. So here, I have chose this digital download. So here, I am going to upload my files, for example, to sell songs, ebooks, templates, online courses, or other downloads. While here on the physical goods, you can sell a t-shirt, which this requires a booking. And then I also add my description here. And take note, guys, that this is a coloring book. So of course, guys, we need to choose the digital product. So here I'm going to add an image here. So here you can choose image here, like use your URL, or you can also use stock image here, guys. So here, so the files the buyer will get access to once they have completed the payment. So here Right after that one, you just need to save this one. And then the next step is you need to upload. So as you can see here, guys, I am just going to provide a link for this one. But so this product, guys, is I got this from my Google Drive, so I am going to paste this one on my Google Drive. And then here you need to upload a file here. So of course, guys, you sell a digital product, so you really need to upload a file here. You just need to tap on this one and make sure, guys, that your digital product is ready to upload. So you just need to tap on this one, and the pricing, it really depends on you, guys. Make sure that it is normal to selling an ebook. For example, that is this one. So but on this website, guys, the product must be 100 and above. And you can save as draft, or you can also save and publish. Just like this. So as you can see here, guys, they said here that my image has this big one, so I'm gonna change this one. So here, as you can see here, digital products. And here, I need to upload my digital file, so don't forget, guys, and my image size must be lower than the 5 MB. So I'm gonna change this one, so take note, guys, that this is just an example. So here, as you can see here, this is my file, and then now you can save and publish this one. So as you can see here, guys, how the customers buy and download. So what happens when someone buys your digital product? So the buyers add your product to their cart and checks out, and they complete the payment via GCash, PayPal, or credit card. And once the payment is confirmed, guys, they will receive a download link via email and in the Raket.ph account. So you don't have to manually send anything. The Raket.ph handles the digital delivery. And then here, so that's it, guys. So while withdrawing your money, you just need to go to your wallet on your dashboard and check your available balance there and click or tap the withdraw button, and that's it, guys. So you now know how to list and sell digital products on Raket.ph. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you for watching, and of course, see you in my next video. Bye!